If you can write, you can draw.
Welcome to If You Can Write, You Can Draw. Today we are going to draw Spider-Man Miles using the letter D, U, a shape like this, or we can call it lowercase l, V, and U. Alright, and the letter O. Let's start with drawing the O, like so. And then the D shape, like so. Another D, right here. Now, let's create an outline for the letter D. Another outline, the letter D. D, that sounds like D. And then we're gonna use the letter U, kind of like this. Another like this. This will be the shoulder, as you can see. And then the letter V. We're going to write the V here. And then another V right there. Now, we got to the line can be drawn using this shape, but we are actually ready to color. We're gonna color first and then draw the lines, because the lines will be in color red. So let me explain. Once I do this, once you see it, actually it will make more sense. Alright, let's do the outline, and as you've seen on my previous video, we call this step katapim katapum. What does that mean? I don't know. Katapim katapum. It just sounds funny. Keep on doing it. So there you go. Katapim. Alright. What happened? Oh yeah. Perhaps. Yes. Like that. And now we're gonna choose the color red. Nice. Or the outline of the eyes, right? And if you are wondering what program I'm using to do this, it's called Procreate on iPod. Oops. Let's make sure we are staying within the outlines that we have drawn. Like so. Now from here, we're going to use the I shape, lowercase I, or L. That's better. And then we are going to start from here. We're gonna draw like and then another one, another one, 3. Okay. Now let's do one here, 2, like that. You follow me? And then another one here, boop, 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 like so. And then the letter U. We're going to write the letter U here. U, 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 U. One more time. U, 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 U. One more time. U, U. Same here, but in reverse. Because if you can write, that's right, you can draw. It's very simple. Same thing here. Boop, boop. And I think Spider-Man Miles has the icon here. So let's do that by drawing a circle. One circle, another circle, and then let's just draw the legs. Like so. Boop, boop, boop. Alright. If you want to add a little bit of shades, we're going to choose a gray color, set the layer on, multiply, drop the opacity a little bit. And then we can add a shade on the neck area. And then maybe a little bit on the edge of the face to add some three-dimensionality. And that's about it. And now, last but not least, let's make sure we have used the letters that we have selected by highlighting them. D, D, D.
If you can write, you can draw. Let's make some art. Let's
U.
explore with colors.
Let me change the color for that.
You'll see the world
Let's go green.
harmony. If
U.
you can write, you can draw.
Remember? U in reverse. U.
Endless gifts inside of you.
U here. More U there.
Colors dance and play.
And we use also lowercase l
Stars above, flowers below.
right here
And every
to
picture
do
that love with every stroke.
exactly
Kind of
these
show
shapes.
you're a creator, don't you know?
Right?
You can
Very simple.
piece your
Now, we also use
draw a smile, paint a
the V here
world with endless love, with
to
every scribble, feel the grace in every
draw
moment,
this shape on the chest.
place.
Wait, what's this? There's another U?
You're a child of God, full of glee with every
Yeah,
ripple, feel the
sometimes I make mistakes. This one is the same. Same.
right, you can draw.
And then we use the shape, the letter O to draw. Oh wait, that was a U. Wait, that's, yeah, anyways. This shape. And then the U was also used here, remember? U, U. So we've used D, U, lowercase l, V, forget this letter, and then the O to create Spider-Man. Spider-Man Miles, or Miles Spider-Man. Wait, what? Wait, what? Miles, you wanna tell us something? What is it? Oh, what could it be? What is it? Oh, if you can write, you can. What is it, students? What is it, kids? What is it, parents? Draw. Thank you very much. And 감사합니다. Until the next one.